For centuries, Indians have regarded the harmonious coexistence of body and mind as essential to healthy living. With the passage of time and the changes it has brought in, the symphony of life has lost its rhythm and melody, disturbing the equilibrium for many people. Recognizing the need for psychological interventions in the new millennium of knowledge and awareness, a team of professional psychologists got together and established Chennai Counselors Foundation in the year 2004.
When I started my practice in Chennai, I found out that there was no platform for practicing professionals here. This triggered me to discuss with Brinda, Arundhati and Devasena. Like-minded people as they were very open and receptive to the suggestion, and Chennai Counselors Foundation was born in 2004. The mission of Chennai Counselors Foundation is multifaceted. Instill professionalism to update the knowledge and skills, to create recognition for the profession, to sensitize the general public about the quality counseling services.
So in this venture, we started connecting with the Western Psychologists and Western Psychological Association, started bringing people to Chennai to conduct workshops and train us in therapies.
In order to achieve these aims and objectives, we needed to network with several professionals such as medical practitioners, clinical psychologists, special educators, educationists, government agencies, the police, lawyers, and many other such people.
It is with pride CCF acknowledges the role played by Dr. Devasena Desai in guiding the founders. Loaded with enthusiasm, sincerity and commitment of a handful of hopeful counselors, CCF had a very humble beginning. As the years passed by and the word spread around, the informal group got strengthened and matured into a formal, robust organization. As CCF crosses the milestone of its 10th anniversary, it's time to celebrate the journey that has traversed many difficult paths.
As we have grown, we now see a lot of changes in the profession. The counselors who are members in our organization have learned to approach a client very professionally, applying theory into practice. Lay counselors who were not qualified have now started enrolling in psychology and studying and furthering their education. And among the public, there is so much of awareness today. I think this is a very big change.
Today, CCF offers membership in varied categories. The Career Guidance Wing addresses the career needs of students and adults. Research Wing promotes inquiry, scientific thinking and research activities. The Youth Wing networks with colleges. Training Wing was established to conduct various training programs. ACE, the Academy for Counselor Excellence, Barefoot Counseling Skills Program for general public, Supervisory Training Program for experienced counselors. Career guidance training is imparted to members, periodic programs. Case study review meeting is held every month. Guest lectures are organized once in 2 months. Experts from various related fields enrich and enlighten with their expertise and experiences. International and national seminars and workshops are conducted periodically. CCF organized Parenting Carnival for the benefit of general public. CCF is the first to introduce a booklet on ethics in counseling. Arindum Aryamulum is a video presentation on responsible parenting. Skills in Professional Counseling is a documentary film which is useful as an educational tool for students. As a corporate social responsibility, career guidance programs have been conducted for underprivileged children of private and corporation schools. A seminar, Educate, Energize, Empower, was organized for Arts and Science College principals and management to sensitize them on the need for professional counselors in their institutions. As part of our 10th anniversary celebrations, CCF organized an international seminar in the month of December 2014. An Adlerian psychologist, Dr. Wes Winget, facilitated the 2 weekend workshops. The certificates were endorsed by NASAP, North American Society of Adlerian Psychology, USA. We had a great response for both the workshops. The 10th anniversary celebrations were rounded off with a guest lecture by Dr. Sailendra Babu, ADGP, Coastal Securities, Tamil Nadu.
With more and more counsellors strengthening our vision, I am confident that CCF will have a glorious future.
I invite each and every one of you to join the movement with Chennai Counsellors Foundation.
Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. May everyone flourish with good health and happiness.